Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're a fan of luxury and style, then you're going to love our latest review on the luxury plating for Magsafe wireless charge case. This stunning case is designed for the iPhone 15, 14 Plus, 13, 12, 11 Pro XXR XS Max and features a clear soft magnetic silicone cover that not only looks amazing but also provides premium protection for your device. The luxury plating on this case adds a touch of elegance and sophistication, making it the perfect accessory for any fashion-forward individual. But it's not just about looks. This case is also compatible with Magsafe wireless charging, allowing you to effortlessly charge your iPhone without having to remove the case. How convenient is that? We all know how important it is to keep our phones protected, and with the soft magnetic silicone cover, you can trust that your device will be shielded from any accidental drops or bumps. Plus, the clear design allows you to show off the sleek design of your iPhone while still keeping it safe from harm. So, if you're in the market for a high-quality, stylish, and functional iPhone case, then look no further. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the luxury plating for Magsafe wireless charge case and experience the perfect blend of luxury and practicality for yourself. Don't miss out on this must-have accessory. Subscribe to our channel and hit the link to make your purchase today.